Imagine this. You just bought yourself a ticket. A one-way trip to the newly established Harpy Express. It's got all you could ever need, from food, drinks, and accommodation, to bloodthirsty killers. Well, that was the situation I and my friends found ourselves in, and, unfortunately for them, I wasn't playing nice. If you want to see the other POVs, which have never before seen footage amidst other things, be sure to check out my friends, who will be linked in the description. And full credit to Dr. Rat for making this incredible game mode. It's been a real blast. The pack will be linked down below, and without further ado, let's let the bloodshed begin. I have deductions to make.
Insane, so I assume.
Okay, I have deductions to make, right? So, it was me, Cross, JPEG, and Raf at the front of the train. Someone says something to Raf. Raf says, "Fuck you, I'm gonna go," and runs away. I climb on top of the train carriage. I then come back to the front of the train. Cross is gone. JPEG is dead.
Where's Raf?
Via my deduction, I believe we have the culprit right in the middle of us. Yep.
What are you looking at?
Turn off the light. So full of snack.
Wait.
Oh.
I think
Every
they got
every time I get
No,
a
it hasn't.
rinse.
Leon's not been picked up.
I'm just sleeping, like, with the corpse at your head.
Yeah, Luna's having a good time.
I love pre-gaming with alcohol.
I love
Nelson
post-gaming
alcoholics.
with
Oh my
alcohol.
lord.
I never get cool rolls.
You know, they used to call me Biggie Sips.
Did they know?
Now they don't.
Did you know there's privacy glass in the shower?
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's the last time you
Hello.
Fair greetings. You have trapped me.
You've dropped me also.
Seat. Perfect. We are no longer trapped.
Do you still have the Glock?
Yeah.
Don't go pointing that places. Like, you're freaking me out.
Look.
Hey!
I have
No,
a-
everyone's trigger happy on this train, please.
Look.
Please.
No,
Everyone's
look,
like a
see?
professional
Look, I got it right
CSGO
in my
player.
hand.
This might just be. Like, oh my lord. Moving away from the trigger happy folk, that was terrifying. I'm hearing things. Quite
You
funny.
actually have
Oh,
to
hello.
ask, can I get through, please?
Oh. Can you?
Done.
You poisoned me. I know it was
What?
you.
No,
You were the last one who passed.
you talk too
Good
much.
job, I guess. No, please don't. I really want to die by the poison and not by your knife.
Okay, then be quiet.
No, I don't wanna. It hurts to be quiet.
Today!
Shut up.
Talk too much.
I didn't kill anyone. Okay.
What?
I didn't fire the bullet.
What?
Please help me. Please help me.
You good?
Everyone's a fucking lunatic. Please help me.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, there they are. I'm just scared to be alone right now. Especially with a manic laughing guy running around shooting people.
Yeah.
This is the second time he's picked up a gun this round, you know? It's kind of concerning.
Oh!
Alright.
What a lovely train this is, eh?
Yeah. Room key. Did I get? Hey, I got one more. Golden sheep out on the room for me, I guess.
Fair greetings.
Hello there.
Fair greetings.
What brings you to this train?
Various things.
Oh, I see.
It's
Well,
more
you know.
convenient travel, but I've got
I've
places
just
to
been-
be.
What brings
You know,
you to this
I'm just
dragon?
moving to my next place, you know, as a washed up grade 9 fixer and all.
Hmm. I see, I see.
Mhm.
Yes.
Oh.
Well,
Yeah, yeah,
as a
yeah.
color.
So slow.
Today,
Find my room.
Fair greetings.
Full ass, man.
But yes.
He seems quite suspicious. Please protect me. I will perish if I get
Okay.
stabbed.
I think someone poisoned the drink.
Oh no, I blew my hip out again.
What?
Oh, no. Oh,
They
no.
just like slowly walked in and then just fell. Like-
Yeah, he was crouching around the corner. He went
You okay,
hello,
Toll?
and then he fell over dead.
Yeah.
Toll, you're alright though, right?
Who got poisoned?
Shadow got poisoned over there, and you got stabbed. Hello.
Oh.
I just got here. Okay. Feel free to, but it will be throwing.
I mean, I feel like I should because you're near the bodies. You haven't picked up the gun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Careful!
You missed! Shit.
Why?
I really like this noise. Now, I wasn't exactly expecting to play this last round, but I got the killer out of nowhere, and wasn't really expecting it. But before we make it to this grand finale, I just want to ask, you know, the typical YouTuber things. It goes a long way for a channel my size, and I'd appreciate it a lot. So yeah, enjoy the final game. Hi, sorry, I was getting OBS up.
Yeah, I got him
I'm room 3.
I'm room 3! We're roomies!
Yay!
Yippee!
Oh, you got a gun.
Yeah, I got a gun
Hello.
again. I have
Hi.
a gun.
Oh, that's a gun.
And Luna didn't kill herself. Yay!
I need a drink.
I need a snack.
I got a drink.
No, I feel like getting some fresh air.
Oh,
If
I'm
you
fit
sit,
on the Jess
you know, I have
Toll
this
level.
one very favorite spot at the back of the chain.
Really? Have you been on the chain before?
Yeah, it's my third time
Oh.
traveling actually. You say it's your
Not good,
first
not good.
time on the
Yes.
train. How many times have you been on the train?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's the memory.
Bears greetings.
Hey. Oh, hi,
So
Paxton.
Shadow has
So
not
yeah,
been touched.
Shadow.
I'm on the train
Shadow
because
shot
I'm running away from
It's
the
not.
mouse.
It's not Shadow. It's
The
not me
Mafia,
because I picked the
bro,
gun up.
I know.
It's
Okay.
I
Luna.
used to know
It's not
someone
It's
from
not-
Mafia.
It's not Pants. So
Yeah.
it's
It's
who are
you,
you
what?
three?
Oh,
I'd really not like to converse
That's
about
what I mean.
Mounty
Who are you
at the
three?
moment. They...
JPEG
Oh,
and
so bad,
Peter
so bad.
have been over here the whole time.
I've just I've just been here with JPEG. In fact, me and JPEG were alone at one point. So like,
Yeah. Okay, I'm
What
going
did
to
you
the
get
back
a
of the
gun?
train. I need some
Oh
fresh
wait,
air.
I'm going insane.
that's
Wait.
fair. I'll come with you. I trust you.
Why should you trust me? I shot an instant.
No, so trust me, okay.
Yeah, I trust you.
Even though. So okay, right.
Yeah, this here is my favorite spot on the train.
It's a great spot. You know, someone out there has to lay logs.
Yeah, like what? How does that even happen?
Right now, if there was a murderer here, they could just shoot it and be all
Ooh!
Paxton just fell off. No, genuinely, I don't think you were crossed. The cross didn't just come around. And I'm pretty sure it crossed, like, it could have been crossed, but I don't think it was.
It might have been cross.
I can't clarify.
Well, there is one surefire way to find out. That's another gun. I don't like I don't like any of this. There's a lot of guns going around. One of them has to be fake, surely. I don't like this. I need a drink. I need a drink. I'm going insane. Let me in.
Come in.
I've been cleared already at this point. Come on.
Okay, so right.
You look certainly interesting. How did you find your way onto
Hi,
this
Connect
train? No.
Pretty sure I saw Cross holding a body bag.
Are you going
Are you
insane?
insane?
No.
No. Oh.
Okay.
There's so many people in this tiny ass room.
Yeah, let's get out and let's go into a major room. Let's go
One grenade and it's over.
Nova's dead?
Nova
Yeah,
got
I killed Nova.
What?
No,
Shadow
I have
shot
you
Ellie, which meant that we know that Shadow and Ellie were safe.
Well, yeah, because Ellie's fucking dead. So who has a gun? Who has a gun?
Fucking shut up.
I had a gun from the start.
I have one.
Okay.
Shut up. Okay, shut up for the gun.
I shot Elysium. Tora picked up that guy. What the
You've shot like a lot of people.
Oh, okay.
I need some sleep. I need some sleep. I don't like the amount of guns that are going around.
Oh, I know the actual kid.
Hi. Hi. One grenade and it's over. There's a dead guy.
Oh.
I was
Yeah,
on my way back
cross.
from sleep, and now there's a dead guy. Like what?
Wait, you were on your way back from sleep?
Yeah,
What's your room?
room 3. I'm so bad at that.